The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Cavite in Region 4A or CALABARZON region. The province of Cavite has the city of Imus as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 4A or CALABARZON region. It is composed of 7 cities, 16 municipalities, 829 barangays, and was founded on 1614. The total land area is 1,526.28 kilometers squared or 589.30 square miles. The province of Cavite is bordered clockwise from the northeast by the National Capital Region, Laguna, Batangas, and Manila Bay. The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Cavite are the following. We have the municipality of Alfonso with 32 barangays, municipality of Amadeo with 26 barangays, the component city, the city of Bacoor with 73 barangays, the municipality of Carmona with 14 barangays, the component city, Cavite City with 84 barangays, the component city, Dasmariñas City with 75 barangays, the municipality of General Emilio Aguinaldo with 14 barangays, and the municipality of General Mariano Alvarez with 27 barangays. We also have the component city, General Trias City with 33 barangays, the capital city, Imus City with 97 barangays, the municipality of Indang with 36 barangays, municipality of Kawit with 23 barangays, municipality of Magallanes with 16 barangays, municipality of Maragondon with 27 barangays, municipality of Mendez with 24 barangays, and the municipality of Naik with 30 barangays. The municipality of Noveleta with 16 barangays, municipality of Rosario with 20 barangays, municipality of Silang with 64 barangays, the component city, Tagaytay City with 34 barangays, the municipality of Tanza with 41 barangays, municipality of Ternate with 10 barangays, and the component city, Trece Martires City with 13 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Cavite in Region 4A or CALABARZON region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.